babies. I know you're not new babies. You're not. But you two are. We got orange. We got two little oranges. Oh, friendly oranges. How many brain cells do these ones have? Hi. Did I hear a little growl from somebody? Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Yeah. I'm counting not too many brain cells from this one. That is okay. You stepped a little too far forward and went splat right into the food. Yes, you did, but that's okay. Yeah. What about you, bro? Hi. Oh my God. You two do that. Oh, I'm sorry. Does it taste like soap?
Oh, we got new ones.
There's nothing.
Two orange kitties here.
These new babies are, oh.
Chanel and
What are you doing, orange babies?